We begin with the economy this morning. In a matter of hours, the Federal Reserve is expected to boost interest rates yet again. It's an effort to slow inflation.
Now it comes a day after Arkansas-based Walmart warned it's being hit by inflation. Now they told investors to expect lower profits in the months ahead. The company is expecting a loss at the end of the year, anywhere between 11 to 13%. However, it could be good news for customers. It announced it is cutting prices on clothes and other items.
So will today's interest rate hike help the economy? We'll have to wait and see. But some economists are warning about today's action.
CBS's Dan Lieberman explains that doing too much too quickly could trigger a recession.
The Federal Reserve is expected to raise its benchmark interest rate again today. Officials have signaled the hike will be at least 3/4 of a percentage point.
The cost of everyday food items has gone up. The cost of luxury goods has gone up. Everything has gone up.
The central bank's central goal is to curb inflation, now at its highest level in over 40 years.
The typical American household needs to spend almost $500 more a month to buy the same goods and services that they were buying a year ago. That's a lot of money.
White House economic advisor Brian Deese says the Biden administration is committed to getting soaring prices under control.
It's our view that inflation is the top economic priority that we need to be focused on as a country.
Experts say the Fed has to be careful not to trigger a recession by making it too expensive to borrow money.
It's difficult to raise rates high enough, fast enough to slow growth, to quell inflation, but not too high, not too fast to undermine economic growth and put us into a recession.
Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has acknowledged the risk, but he says out of control inflation poses a bigger long-term threat to the economy. Dan Lieberman, CBS News, New York.
The Fed announced a 0.75% hike last month. That was the biggest increase in 28 years. Some experts say indicators such as falling gas prices may point to inflation finally slowing.